Welcome to FormFlow, the future of form filling, where your voice is all it takes to complete any form. Gone are the days of tedious typing and frustration. With FormFlow, you simply speak and your form is filled. Whether you're in New York, Paris, or Mumbai, FormFlow speaks your language, empowering users everywhere with seamless, multilingual support. Let's explore how we're changing the way forms are filled, one word at a time. Let's start at the login page. Here, users can access their accounts securely by entering their email and password. The interface is streamlined for an intuitive, hassle-free experience, ensuring that you're just a few clicks away from getting started. For new users, the sign-up process is just as straightforward. A few simple fields and you're in, ready to explore all the features FormFlow has to offer. Creating an account with FormFlow is fast and effortless. Just enter your name, email, and password, and you're on your way. Notice the dynamic placeholders that guide you through the process, making each step clear and intuitive. Now let's get to the heart of FormFlow. Voice-enabled form filling. Whether it's a simple contact form or a government document, users can dictate their responses, and FormFlow will convert their speech into accurate text. With FormFlow's advanced voice input technology, users can simply speak their name, email, address, and even complex phrases like email addresses, which are auto-corrected for terms like dot and at the rate. But that's just the beginning. FormFlow's multilingual capabilities truly set it apart. Imagine being able to fill out forms in over 50 languages, including English, Spanish, French, Chinese, Arabic, Hindi, and even regional dialects like Tamil, Bengali, and Punjabi. Speak in any language and FormFlow will accurately transcribe it into text with seamless error correction.
Ryan Sebastian. Ryan Sebastian @gmail.com. Application for a new government ID. Kottayam, Kerala.
FormFlow is breaking down language barriers. No more confusion, no more delays, just clear, accurate, and swift form filling in your preferred language. Once your form is filled out, it's time to submit. With FormFlow, reviewing your entries is a breeze, and submitting is as simple as a single click. All the information is validated for accuracy, ensuring a smooth, secure submission every time.
John Joseph. പുതിയ ആധാർ കാർഡിനുള്ള ഒരു അപേക്ഷ. കൊച്ചി, കേരള. John Joseph @gmail.com.
Behind the scenes, FormFlow takes care of your data. All the information you've submitted is securely stored in a highly organized database, making it easy for administrators to retrieve and manage. No more paper forms or manual data entry, just efficient, automated workflows. FormFlow isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in how forms are filled. By combining cutting-edge voice technology with unparalleled multilingual support, FormFlow is making the form-filling process faster, smarter, and more accessible for everyone, no matter where they are or what language they speak. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to a world where forms are just a voice command away. FormFlow is breaking down barriers, saving time, and ensuring every user can complete forms with ease. Thank you for exploring FormFlow, the future of form filling.